We would like to bring your attention to the unique web wellness hardware and software complex. This technology contains several dozens of know-how, and is the only cloud system in the world with a full cycle of testing and prevention. The System of the Human Life extension. The program provides an extended checklist as for the health condition. Testing is based on measuring the electric skin resistance of the biologically active points in 6 leads. After the end of the session, the data appear in the session table where you can send measurements for processing as well as create and record the unique complex for the Life Balance device. The system analyzes current indications as well as indications of previous measurements, select probable diseases from a server database, and prepares an individual frequency complex. The principal testing preparations by an electronic copy is based on measurements with inclusion of the studied frequency into a measuring circuit. The frequency is generated by the device from an electronic copy of a preparation preset into the device memory or from a resonator container. Getting the result, you can see the probabilistic effect of this preparation on the body. Electronic copies of preparation are added to the selector by the manufacturer for free at the request of program users. There is a selector base consisting of several tens of thousands of testing resonant frequencies, nosodes, which allow you to identify probabilistic parasite and infectious diseases, an etiological factor, and its role in the pathogenesis of each particular disease to select an individual scheme of therapy and monitor the treatment process. Separately, you can connect a neural network that collects the statistical data of several hundred measurements program users around the world, understanding what problems a concrete tested person may have most likely. It will suggest what you need to check first and which nosodes should be tested. It speeds up the work with this type of testing greatly. The BRT section contains programs for passive bioresonance therapy. Each session may be processed. An individual complex may be created and recorded to the device according to it. The analysis menu section helps to get test results in a clear visual form. The general condition of systems displays a visual diagram for each system with different colors. Also, here you will see the normal range and numerical indicators. The diagram menu section displays the condition of 47 organs and systems with numerical indicators and a phenomenon of decreasing. Zones are displayed in the projection panel, that is a projection on the skin areas in which external symptoms, referred pains, and hypersensitivity often appear when a disease of internal organs is present. In the spine menu section, a diagram of the spine is displayed projecting the condition of organs on the vertebrae. Each vertebrae will be displayed in the corresponding color. Clicking on the vertebrae or on their designations, you can see organs associated with it and possible problems on the right when the disc is displaced. Ranking helps to determine the source of an inflammatory or chronic process. The unbalanced system displays the unbalance of separate organs and systems, the deviation from the normal range, and in what direction. The energy system allows us to find the connection between the emotional and characterological type of the tested person using an ancient system of knowledge about energy centers or chakras. In this section, you can see the interpretation of the conclusion in the form of chakras. An orogram is interpretation of a report on 47 organs and systems in a form of a circular diagram. Next, we can view the probabilistic burdens of various parasites with toxins and target organs that can be affected. Also, there are the expected changes in organs and systems below. In the biological age section, you can see the corresponding indicators as well as the tendency for the next 20 years and the causes of aging. The vitamins section reflects the likelihood of the body assimilating these vitamins in the form of circular diagrams. Filling 100% suggests that this vitamin is well assimilated. Partial filling indicates poor assimilation. You can see a list of substances of probable toxic load, including heavy metals, below in the menu. Also in this program section, amino acid deficiencies are displayed that can lead to problems in the tested person's health later. According to the results of matching preparations, you can form a report in the form of a diagram by the average indication of the effect on the body. Also, you can get a report on a zodiacal diet and sports nutrition in the program. In the generating reports section, you can generate a report you need by ticking a desired view. The report can be printed out on a printer, sent to a specified email, or saved as a PDF file. You can add a separate sheet of your conclusion as well as use a comparison mode.